Oh, I love the thickness.
So today we're going to be looking to find the best paint stripper out on the market. This is a tabletop of a project I just started. You'll see that video out soon, so be sure to follow. So I'm taping up some areas so that I can put each stripper in that square box. First, we're using Watco. You can find it at Walmart. It's a paint and poly remover. It's basically a paint stripper. Next, we're going to be doing CleanStrip and then CitriStrip. CitriStrip touts a 20-minute removal time at the beginning. It says it removes up to 5 layers. Next is KwikStrip. It does a little bit quicker. Early removal times 15 minutes, although 45 minutes on some certain materials. And then Watco, which again, 15-minute. It says up to 5 layers. All these I shook really well. We're going to be starting with Watco. I was surprised at how thin it was. Then we go to KwikStrip, premium stripper. Very thick, very globby. Now we're on to CitriStrip. Love the smell.
I like the smell of that one.
And it's very thick.
Ooh, it is really thick. Thicker than all 3. Nice.
We're going to get, of course, fresh new paintbrushes.
Brand new.
And we're just going to dive right in.
We're going to go fast so we can get 20-minute timer on them.
Mixing them up one more time. This Watco one says it's supposed to be milky, but it was more clear than milky, so I'm wondering if I just got a bad batch of the Watco.
All right. Start the timer.
So let them sit for 20 minutes. That's a weird sound. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I need to get to 500 subscribers to enjoy the benefits of YouTube. And without further ado, let's see which stripper won. And we're going to use a cloth first and wipe away with the cloth with, medium pressure. You can see on this one it turned a little brown, but that's it. The CitriStrip, we're then scraping with a good amount of pressure on that scraper. It only did a little top layer. There's the wipe test on the KwikStrip and the scraper. Happy little. Nothing really on the Watco.
It's like stopping.
Nothing really on the Watco. There's only one I did more than once.
It just doesn't want to do anything.
So the winner is clearly the CleanStrip Premium Stripper if you just want it done fast. There is a part 2 to this, believe it or not, and that's where I give the CitriStrip a little bit longer. So if you want to go environmentally friendly, you can give that a little bit longer, and then I can show you what happens with that.